we need some correction. Please open backend folder, then open controllers. After open controller, then open user controller, sorry, review controller. Here I am in review controller. Here exports get product reviews. Find this get product reviews function. Then the last line response.status 200.json success true. Then here is the typo I missed. It should be reviews. REIWS. Save it. I am closing this file. Okay. Then open brand controller. Brand controllers. I'm in brand controller. Then find the update brand function. Update brand function. Then for last line, you will find a run validators. Run validator. Here will be run validators. Brand equal to await brand dot find by id and update. Here is new true, then run validators. Add an ace. I am saving this file, closing it. Open control category controller. Then find out the export update category function. Update category function. Here is the same problem, run validator. Before the last line, here will be run validators. Add an ace. Saving this. Okay. Closing category controller. Then store controller. Update store. Find out update store function. Then here is if not store, return next. New error handler store not found. Then store equal to await store dot find by id and update request dot params dot id. Then data. After this, here is the same problem, run validators. New true, run validators, add an ace. Okay, I'm saving this file, closing it. And here is the user model. Open user model. From backend folder, open models, then user model. Okay. Here the const user schema equal to new mongoose dot schema, then name. Here is the, here I set unique true. Remove this unique true from the name property, because name can same name multiple users, can have same names multiple users. Save. Then below down these files, Here is the reference store. Find out the store property before update by property. Here is the reference ref colon strore লেখা আছে ROE, and remove first R, it should be store. Okay, save this file, closing this. I think I corrected all the problem, but if we get any problem or have to correct any problem, will be next. I know I'm very slow. My English is very poor. This is not my native language. I often mistyped and make errors. I apologize for all my weakness. I'm not an intellectual person or any wizards. A below par average developer. Sometimes I feel shame to call me a developer also. You can call me a cut paste developer. Okay, but I tried my best to explain everything what I know. I will try to upload the source code to my GitHub page and inform you after end of the project. If you subscribe my channel, I will grateful to you. It helps me a lot. Okay, next we will develop our front end and stay tuned for that.